Hey guys, I'm Vignesh for Digit, and today let's take a closer look at the Amazon Echo Flex. The Echo Flex is arguably the smallest Alexa-enabled smart speaker in the market today. Considering its market price, it is also the cheapest. As you can tell, it resembles a mosquito repellent machine in that you can just plug it into a domestic wall socket without having to worry about wires. The Echo Flex has two notable features. The first is a 3.5mm audio jack, which lets you connect to an external set of speakers for better audio. The second is a USB-A port, which lets you charge other devices such as smartphones and wireless headset at 7.5 watts. But the Echo Flex is not without its faults. It has a tiny mini speaker that even Amazon agrees is good only for voice responses from Alexa and not for music. And its dual microphone setup often misses calls. All things considered, the Amazon Echo Flex is a good choice if you're stepping into the world of smart speakers and don't want to invest too much. Well then guys, that's it for this quick video on the Amazon Echo Flex. It's a nifty little device if you're entering the smart speaker market for the first time. It's a cute little thing. It does have its downsides, but I think you'll find it worthwhile anyway. Thanks for watching.